Yow, 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 yow.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
Welcome back, everyone. Ray Ferraro down at ice level. My name is James Cebulski. The EA Sports broadcast team is fired up to bring you this one here tonight. Ray, how special is it to don the colors of your country?
I got to do it 4 times, James. Some of the most proud moments of my career.
And we are about set to drop the puck on this one. Well, the hype for this one has been off the hook. Puck is dropped. Let's see if this one actually lives up to it. Picked up along the wall by Mana. Finland's got it into the offensive zone. Handles it along the blue line. Quick feed to Mana. Slides that one right across the blue line. Lets it rip off target.
Probably better off to take a little off the shot and get it on target. He's nowhere near the net.
Italy's got it in the defensive zone. Team Italy's looking to break out. Carries it in. Receives the pass. Puts it on net. Stopped by the goaltender. Team Finland's got a hold of it along the wall. Slides it back to the blue line. Here's a blast, and that's blocked. Up along the wing. Off the one-timer. Finds some space in the corner. Now a quick pass to Larkin. Centering pass. Puts it on net. Answers it with an even better save.
Well, you're not going to get much better scoring chance than that one, but the goaltender makes an excellent stick save.
Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. Just wide of the net.
Not really close with that. He got lots on it, but nowhere near the net.
They've got numbers. It's a 2-on-1. Hammers it on net, and the traffic jam in front blocks the shot and makes the save. Lets it fly. Denies him again. Sends the pass over. Picking up some steam at center ice. Takes the feed at the point. Here's a chance right in the slot. From the slot, wrist shot, and he comes up with it.
Dead center, excellent save.
Here's a short pass to Kotkaniemi. Italy's got a hold of it against the wall. Into the offensive end now. Along the half wall with the puck. The puck picked up along the boards by Filppula. And that's a great read to pick off the pass. Heiskanen's carrying it ahead. Sends it over. Slides the puck over. Sends a pass over. Wrist one in front. He scores! Well, this is the sign of things to come.
Well, I hope so. I love goals, James. This one is quick, and it's already on the board.
80s hockey, here we go.
That's a scorer's goal right there. That puck is on and off his stick in a hurry. He's so tight to the net, he has to get rid of it before the goalie can readjust.
Finland's on the board here, and they've got the home crowd right into it early.
Aggressively out of the gate, they didn't give the opponent any time to get settled at all. I love their start.
Dumps it in. Handles the puck. Boom! What a hit! Frank's going to play it against the half wall. Handles the puck at the point. Good use of the body on the play. We got a penalty coming up here as the officials blow the play dead. And he's going to get 2 for hooking on the play, Ray.
He should. I mean, he gets his stick out parallel to the ice. He gets it across the player's midsection, and that's kind of a red flag for that penalty.
And the man advantage unit comes out to go to work.
A criticism of their power play, they pass it around a lot. It looks great, but they never shoot it. They'll be trying to get the puck to the net more frequently.
Rantanen's got it against the boards. Shot, and there's the save. Move to the middle, and that one's broken up. Deep inside the defensive zone, trying to clear the puck, and they get it down.
Good communication. They talk to each other. They're in the right spot. They just clear it down the ice.
Into the middle of the neutral zone. Quick pass to Rantanen, and the puck dies with the Trapper save.
Yeah, he makes a nice save here with the glove, as you mentioned, but he's able to hang on to it. That's a tough save from this position on the ice. Now that looks good. It was a good save, and he made it look even better.
Team Finland still got time here in this first period to increase this lead. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Turns it aside. Clearing attempt. And it's a small victory for the PK unit here.
Well, that's their job. Get it down the ice, get off the ice, get some new people out there.
Barkov's got it across the line. Back to the point it goes. Stopped by the goaltender. Finland's up here in the first, and they could easily be up by more based on what they've done offensively. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Moves it. A chance on goal. Comes up with the stop. Penalty has expired. Both sides back to even strength. Big stop by the keeper.
Stop one, stop two. The goalie makes a couple of excellent saves.
Now he slides it up to Line A.
This has been a heck of a shift for them. They've got them hemmed into the offensive zone. Now they can carry the puck around as the defenders are just going to play a tight box. They look exhausted.
Team Finland's capitalized on their offensive abilities here in this first period. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. And it's a quick pass to Donskoy. Team Italy's got the puck inside the defensive zone. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Ahead of steam now towards the front. And that's broken up. Donskoy swooping in on the attack. A chance in front! And that goes off the post and out. And he makes the save. Finland's got it from behind the net. And now he angles it across to Komarov. Handles the puck from the left side. Centering pass! Circles back to center ice. Moves it around along the half wall. Strong defensive effort. Filppula's gaining momentum. Filppula's got it in the offensive zone. Sends the pass down low. Here's a blast! Blocked in traffic. And the officials stop the play as the puck heads off the ice. Well past the midway mark of this period, we've got a 1-0 hockey game thus far. Koivu's won the draw. Moves it quickly over to Aho.
Koivu's dangerous, and he's got the puck now. He had the go-ahead goal earlier on.
Looks to set up at the point now. And he slides it quickly to Ristolainen. Takes the pass. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. A little back and forth. Oh, just a textbook hit. Team Finland's gained possession along the boards. Looks to pass it to Granlund. Lets it go. Gobbles that puck up with his chest. And the referee has blown his whistle, bringing a stop to the play.
Team Finland's done everything they've wanted to do once the puck hit the ice. They've been the more physical team, they've got the lead in the game, and they're controlling how this game is played.
Finland still got time here in this first period to increase this lead. Barkov's won the face-off deep inside the offensive zone and tries to make a diagonal pass to Vatanen. Hard blast, and the shot dies in the traffic jam. And there's a lucky souvenir for someone in the crowd as the puck heads out of play. Team Finland's up here in the first, and they could easily be up by more based on what they've done offensively. Center's jammed up, and the winger grabs the puck. Into the offensive zone. Shoots it, and he says no! Finland's capitalized on their offensive abilities here in this first period. Puck is dropped, and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Return pass. Here's a chance. Sends it across. Right up front. He scores! I believe a colleague of ours likes to call those back-to-back.
Yeah, the coaches want you to stay aggressive after you score. They do that, and they're able to put another one up on the board. He's probably got about 2 seconds from the time that puck's delivered to find it. He can't see it, so he drops into the butterfly and hopes it hits him.
Team Finland's now up by 2 here in this first.
And they deserve to be. They've been the better team, and they've capitalized on the opportunities that they've had offensively.
Quick feed to Vatanen. Vatanen's got it into offensive territory. Here's a chance in front. Where was he going there?
This is the best thing, James. It's not you, it's the stick. He looks at the stick. He's going to have to get a new one.
The excuses. On the doorstep. Shot. Turns it away.
Yeah, he got out tight to him, James. There's nowhere for that puck to go.
Granlund's got the puck. Centered out in front. And that one's broken up. Carries it across the line. Takes that pass back at the point. Rocked him in the open ice. And a delayed penalty coming up as he got tripped up. Here comes the call from the official. Pretty cut and dry trip on that play.
Coaches will tell you, be careful with your stick, but you're trying to get the puck. I don't think a lot of times they do it intentionally.
They'll go back to work on their special teams.
Easiest thing in the world, James. Tell somebody else to relax. The power play hasn't scored yet. They're not relaxed, and it's not easy to do, but that's the key to success.
Here's a short pass to Ristolainen. Right to the middle. Here he is on the backhand. Tries to clear. And a nice job by the Killers on that one.
Yeah, now they can get a change, get some fresh players on the ice.
He grabs the puck here at the point. And that's just out of reach. Trying to clear. And he moves the puck across the blue line out of the defensive zone. Finland's got the puck along the boards. Retrieves the puck, trying to kickstart this power play. Icing's the call. You know the coaching staff's not going to love that one.
Well, I can think of about 3 plays he could have made other than that one, but hey, that's the way it goes. Now you need your centerman to win a draw.
Past the midway mark of the frame, and it's a 2-0 hockey game. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Good check, frees the puck up. Ristolainen's got it in the defensive end. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Lets it go with the stop. Takes the feed. And he moves it up to Granlund. And he passes it up ahead to Granlund. And that's picked off in front. And manages to clear the zone. And the PK unit gets their man out of the box.
Well, no go on that power play. They were able to move the puck around, and I guess at times it looked dangerous, but just nothing really going on the power play. They let that one slip through their fingers.
And uses the length of his stick to knock that puck away. Takes it across the blue line. Moves the puck. On the attack along the boards. Centering pass. Knocked away. Team Finland's got the puck in their own end. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Play is blown dead. We've got a penalty on the way. And he's off to the box for 2 for tripping.
Not much of an argument there. A stick between the player's feet.
Another chance here on the man advantage. The frozen biscuits dropped, and we are back underway here. Gets it out of his own end. Finland's got the puck along the wall. Quick pass across to Granlund. With possession along the wall. And now he moves it quickly to Laine. Italy's got possession while undermanned. Stopped by the goaltender.
Somehow the shooter got loose in the slot, but the goaltender's equal to the task. That's a good save.
Finland's got it behind the net. Quick pass to Kotkaniemi. Passes it to Laine. Great poke check on the reach. And manages to clear the zone. And leaves the comfort of his crease to play the puck. Grabs the puck and moves on out here with this man advantage. Moves it to Laine. And now it's grabbed by Laine. Here's a shot. Long jam in front. That's broken up. Gets it out of his own end. Moves it to Laine. Over the line they come. And a great job by the shorthanded unit those last few moments as the penalty expires.
Well, the only thing that happened on that power play was the clock rolled along. Very few chances, not much danger.
Shot easily turned away with the glove. Moves the puck along the half wall. Less than a minute to go here in the opening frame. Trying to shake the defender. And that falls apart.
Well, that's disappointing. Nothing out of something that looked dangerous.
Quick feed down low. From against the wall, it's centered out. And that's picked off. Here they come on the attack. Nice pass. And they'll be forced to regroup as the puck escapes the offensive end. Well, it's an opportunity for fans to stretch their legs here as the opening 20 minutes comes to an end, and a chance for these players to catch their breath. The rink fairly tilted to one side after the first 20. They lead it 2-0.
Are you ready for your walk down memory lane? Then join us for our fantasy camp. Play hockey with your childhood heroes. It's a fun...
And while both teams get a refresher, we'll take one ourselves heading into the second period. Both teams are back at center ice, and we are ready to get period number 2 underway. Well, after an intriguing opening period, here we go. It's period number 2. Puck is dropped, and we are underway. One period already in the books. Ray, how have you seen this thing?
Finland's done virtually everything right in that first period. They had the puck the whole time. They're winning by 2, and they're in really good shape here.
Team Finland's been the more aggressive team offensively, and they continue to lead here in the second. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Nice pass from against the wall. Oh, denies him with the save. I think he got the blocker on it.
Away from harm's way. That's a good save.
They've got numbers. Fires one. Blocker save. Plays the puck up ahead. All alone.
Oh, the puck was like an anchor for the forward. He's got a breakaway, but he gets caught from behind.
Moves it quickly over to Vatanen. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Carries it in. Back to the blue line. Here he is from the slot. Denies it in front.
That's in a dangerous spot. He makes a good save here. Well, what a quick reflex stop that is. Great scoring chance.
Still early on in this frame, James and Ray with you. So glad you could join us. And it's a comfortable 2-0 lead we're looking at right now. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Granlund's got it on the offensive end. Shot! That goes up a twig. Hammers the shot! And the lane's clogged up blocking that. Can't maintain possession after that hit. And he slides it quickly to Ristolainen. And a smart heads-up read to come up with the puck.
Italy's coaches constantly work on this in practice, and that's to be in the right position to intercept pucks on the middle of the ice. They've done a terrific job tonight.
Stops the rocket of a shot. Finland's got the lead here early in this second period. Their offense has been clicking on all cylinders thus far. off the draw, and he ties up his opponent. Aho's carrying it ahead. Now a quick pass to Filppula. Blown opportunity. Oh, he put it wide.
You don't get many of these a night, and when it's your turn, you got to be ready to get it on the net. He misses here.
Along the half wall with the puck. Pass back to the point. Oh, just wide. On the backhand. Stones him in front. Team Finland's got the lead on the scoreboard. A big reason of that has been the amount of pucks that they've been putting on net. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Takes the feed. And it's a quick pass to Aho. Excellent stick work on the play. That goes wide. With the bank pass. And he slides it quickly to Frank. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Oh, and he had the whole corner.
As the goalies have gotten better and better, you have to deliver it quick. Sometimes you just miss.
Blocker save. Receives the pass. Quick feed to Komarov. And now he moves it to Donskoy. Puck grab by Komarov. And makes the save. Team Italy's got a hold of it along the wall. Moves it around along the half wall. Finland's looking to break out of their own end. Carries it across the line. On the attack along the boards. Lets it go. Denied by the goaltender. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Takes the feed at the back end. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Shot comes up with the stop. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Takes a bump but still hangs on to the puck. Back at the point, they set it up. Here's a short pass to Filppula. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Quick pass to Mata. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Sends the pass over. With possession along the wall. Handles it along the blue line. Moves the puck along the half wall. Slides the puck over. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Puts it on net. Nice save by the keeper to trap that puck to his chest.
I want to get another look at this one, James. This looks like it hurts. I'm glad I'm in a suit here.
Team Finland's lead here in the second period, a direct result of being the more aggressive team offensively. Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. And that's blocked away. Italy's got a hold of it against the wall. Grabs it in his own end. Here's an odd man rush. Along the half wall with the puck. Moves the puck across to Rantanen. Knocked away. Into the corner of the attacking area. Fires one on goal. Big-time save on a big-time shot. Still lots of time left in the period. 2-0 is where we sit. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Off the crossbar. What an opportunity right there.
Team Italy's not able to close the gap. They have an excellent chance that hits the pipe, and it runs away.
Oh, set that hit up perfectly. Angles it over to Granlund. Move to the middle, right in the slot. He scores! Jumps on the rebound and makes it count.
You want money, you go to the bank. You want bread, you go to the store. You want goals, you get into the net. The rebound's there, he puts it away.
Team Italy's jumped right back into this one with a much-needed goal here in the second.
They're trying to generate more shots. They just haven't been able to, but they cash in, James. Now they're only down by 1.
Puck is dropped, and we are back underway.
Scored by number 21, assisted.
Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone.
Time of the goal.
And now he moves it quickly to Laine.
Seconds.
Laine's got it along the wing. Moves it to Laine. Kotkaniemi's going to play it against the half wall. Across the point. Moves right to the middle. Moves it quickly over to Granlund. Here's an opportunity. Misses over the net. And now it's over to Heiskanen. And he slides it quickly to Heiskanen. Slides it back to the blue line. Not even close.
Not close to anything. The net's been the same size for 100 years.
Takes it across the blue line. Long reach breaks up the momentum. Tries to get it over to Filppula. Quick feed to Laine. Takes the feed at the point. Shot, scores!
He drops into the butterfly to try and take away as much of the net as he can, but the shooter's got enough time to find some room. He sees it, and he doesn't miss.
Finland's put themselves in the driver's seat on the back nine of this game here, Ray. They've been impressive so far tonight.
They have been, and nothing should change from their perspective. They have to be ready. I'm sure their opponents are going to put together a pretty strong push.
Heiskanen by number 29, Patrick Laine.
Over the line they come.
10 minutes, 43 seconds.
And he gets the puck right back. Here's a short pass to Filppula. Moves it around along the half wall. Quick feed down low. Handles the puck at the point. What a steal in his own end. On the attack along the boards. And that goes off a player in front. And that one's turned away. Past the halfway mark of this period, Team Finland's really controlled the pace of play these last few minutes, leading by 2. Now a quick pass to Lindell. Sends a pass over. And now he tries to get it across to Donskoy. Handles the puck. Beautiful glove stop on that one. Finland's done a nice job of generating pucks on net, and as a result, they lead here in the second. Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. Here they come on the attack. Right up front, and that one's broken up by a great defensive play. Team Finland's message going into this one when we talked to them at the morning skate was to get a lot of pucks on net. They've done just that, and they lead as a result. Slides the puck across to Granlund. Finland's gained possession along the boards. Quick pass to Granlund. And now he angles it across to Granlund. Great save from in tight.
Oh, you're not going to get a better chance than that, but the goalkeeper does a great job.
Granlund's off to the box. 2 minutes for tripping. Played with fire. He got burned, Ray.
He's digging around for the puck, and sometimes you just get caught. This time the player goes down, and he's got to go to the box.
Power play unit comes out for the face-off.
They've worked on the power play a lot at practice over the last couple of days. This is their first one tonight, and they'll want to execute what they've worked on, which is to win the draw and start moving the puck.
13 minutes, 21 seconds.
Uses the boards with the bank pass. Point-to-point pass. Moved in front. Backhander. Goalie with the stop.
Right from the most dangerous area on the ice, the goalie flashes the glove. That's an arrogant stop.
Team Finland's lead here in the second period, a direct result of being the more aggressive team offensively. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Gets in front of it. Finland's done a nice job of generating pucks on net, and as a result, they lead here in the second. Puck is dropped, and we are back underway. And manages to clear the zone. Italy's got the puck along the boards. Moves it to Frank. Frank's got it across the line. Takes the pass. Putting the hard hat on here. What a hit. Throws it on goal. Great defensive play to come up with the puck. Lindell's taking it from his own end. Granlund's got it against the boards. Puck lands back onto his stick. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. And a solid effort by the penalty killers as we are back to even strength.
These are the power plays that drive coaches crazy. They didn't really generate anything. They didn't force the penalty killers at all. Kind of a waste of time.
Back to the point it goes. Takes the feed. Tape-to-tape feed on the blue line. Moves the puck. Moves it quickly over to Frank. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Here's a shot. Blocker save, and he's showing up big time tonight.
I like the way that he stops his puck, James. Not only does he get in front of it, but he puts it out of harm's way.
Filppula's got it in the offensive zone. Breaks up the pass in the defensive zone.
That's a bit of a brain lock there. They got the lead. Don't make a dangerous play.
Rips it. Stops him cold. Pass right on the doorstep. Oh, and another big stop.
After the first stop, he's in good position to make a second.
And that's broken up with a stick in front. Sent into the offensive zone. Quick feed to Filppula. Taken by Filppula. Oh, great read. Takes the pass in the corner. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Larkin. And it's a quick pass to Larkin. Here's a shot from the boards. Team Finland's got the puck along the wall. Carries it in. And he slides it quickly to Heiskanen. Read it perfectly and breaks up the play. Nice pass. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Here's a pass down low. Centering pass. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Denied by the goaltender. Nearing the 40-minute mark of the game. Right out in front. And they can't connect. Blast from the blue line. Misses high.
You can't miss that up high there. It's just there's no chance for a rebound, no chance to keep the play going.
With possession along the wall. Solid hit on the play, and that knocks the puck off his stick. Tosses it to Komarov. Here's a short pass to Mata. Takes the feed. Looks to set up at the point now. Knocked away. And they send it right back to him. Great stick work with the steal. Horn sounds, bringing the second period to an end. As we hit the second intermission, it's a 3-1 hockey game.
Fans, we'd like to draw your attention to the far part of the arena where we're welcoming all of our minor hockey kids here in attendance.
The third period is just around the corner. Ray and I will bring you all the action in a moment. And we are just moments away from the start of the third period. Moment of truth for one team. Here we go. Third period is underway. 40 minutes into this one here. Razor, how do you see things?
Italy's been chasing this game and chasing the puck much of the first two periods. If they're going to get back in it, they've got to possess the puck a lot more.
Team Italy's got a hold of it along the wall. Takes the feed up ahead. Finland's got the puck in their own end. Barkov swooping in on the attack. Battle along the boards. Grabs the puck in the defensive zone. Quick pass to Barkov. And he comes up with a big-time save on that. Puck picked up by Granlund. There's the whistle as things will slow down here for a moment.
Always a good play. If you're not sure what's going on, freeze the puck.
We're still in the early stages of this period. It's a 2-goal lead we're looking at with the score 3-1. Puck is dropped and he wins the draw here in the defensive zone. Takes that pass back at the point. Slides the puck down low. Wow, he got hit.
James, there's nowhere to go sometimes. You know you're going to get it. You just have to take the hit.
Moves the puck along the half wall. And now he moves it quickly to Kotkaniemi. Makes the save and putting out the fire in front. Moves it to Granlund. Shot! Big time stop there. With the puck under siege. Can he get out of the zone here? Along the half wall with the puck. Solid body contact. Great defensive play to come up with the puck. And he regains control of the puck. Sends it down low. And he slides it quickly to Lindell. Now a quick pass to Koivu. And it's a quick pass to Honka. And he slides it quickly to Granlund. Put it off the post. Back to the blue line. Oh, and the goalie catches a break there. Italy's got the puck in the defensive end. Carries it across the line. Puts it on net with the stop.
Team Finland's not stopped being on the body since the beginning of this period. They are crashing into every guy they can. They've now got the lead.
Team Finland's outplayed the opposition tonight, particularly offensively, as they lead it early in this third period. Puck scooped up by Honka. Takes the feed from the left side. Filppula's got the puck. Looks to make a play over to Koivu. Receives the pass. Puts it to the front of the net. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. And now he moves it quickly to Aho. Team Italy's got a hold of the puck. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Finland's got the puck. And he slides it quickly to Teravainen. Glove save and the puck moves on. Inching closer to the midway mark of the period. 3-1 is where we're sitting. Fans being treated to a lot of offense thus far. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Can't hang on to the puck after the play. Knocks the puck loose. Italy's got the puck now. Takes it across the blue line. Moves it around along the half wall. And that's picked off in front. Works it across to Donskoy. Sends the pass over. And that one's stopped. Team Finland's attempt to put more pucks on net has paid off as they lead it in the third. Barkov's won the face-off deep inside the offensive zone. Puck sent over to Larkin. Takes the return feed. Just a great defensive read there. Granlund's got the puck near the back end. Whiffs on that. Shuts him down. Pass back to the point. Puts it up front. And that shot dies in traffic. Team Italy's got a hold of it against the wall. Through center along the wing. Finland's got the puck inside the defensive zone. They've got the defense outnumbered. Tees off the one-timer. What a stop as he puts out the fire. Team Finland's got the edge in the shot department, a big reason why they lead here in this third period. Koivu's won the draw, and now it's grabbed by Mata. Moves it quickly over to Filppula. Pushes it across to Koivu. Italy's gained possession along the boards. Over the line they come. Here's the pass. Slides the puck over. Aho's got it along the wing. Slides the puck down low. Pushes it across to Larkin. Handles the pass into the middle of the ice. On the attack along the boards. Scrum ensues along the boards. Moves the puck down low. Sends it quickly to Filppula. Here they come on the attack. And he can't get it off. He'll keep it alive and moves it ahead. Sends a pass over. Into the corner. Puck set across the blue line. Way too much congestion blocks that. They fight for it along the boards. Takes control of the puck. Handles the puck. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Near the point. Picks off the feed.
It's like he had his eyes closed and he was trying a hope play. Something just to try and help them get back in the game.
Team Italy's looking to break out of their own end. Finland's got the puck along the boards. Move to the middle, and that one's broken up. Carries it in. Quick feed to Frank. Pass right in front. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Play blown dead. Penalty coming up here. Tripping is the call. Did he sell, or is that the right one in your mind?
I think it's the right one. He looks like he's picking up speed, and the stick gets into his feet.
The power play unit goes right back to work.
The best power plays are the ones that are successful after they've failed. They haven't been very good tonight, but you have to wash that away, not let it affect the current power play.
Gets it out of his own end. Tries to get this man advantage going from their own end now. They've got numbers. Puts it towards the net. Denies them on the play. Here's an opportunity to clear the zone. Off the glass and out of the zone. Consider that a win for the penalty killers for now.
You bet it is. Now they can get a change, get some fresh people on the ice.
Looking to make something happen along the boards. Takes the feed at the back end. Drops the hammer. Moved to the middle. Shot right in front. Stopped by the goaltender.
Aggressive stop out on top of the crease to make the save on a dangerous chance. I need to take another look at that. I thought there was room to get by. Clearly, I was wrong. I'm glad I don't have to take the hit he just took.
Team Finland's been the better team tonight. They have turned good defense into solid offense, and they lead here in the third. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Oh, what a stop! Working to shake the pressure from the defensive zone. Big win for the short-handed unit as they clear the puck from the zone.
Yeah, no one's going to keep it in the zone when it goes off the glass at that speed.
And the goalie comes out to play the puck. Ristolainen's teammates kill off the penalty.
That's a bad time for a penalty, but they're still up in this third period. The penalty killers do a nice job for them.
Puck grabbed by Vatanen. Moves it over to Donskoy. Good hit to knock the puck loose. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Italy's got control of it now from their own end. Now he takes it over the line. Reads it perfectly, breaking up the play. Here they are on the attack. Booming shot. Oh, absolutely owns the crease tonight. Another stop by the goaltender. Finland's attempt to put more pucks on net has paid off as they lead it in the third. Komarov's won the draw here in the offensive zone. Oh, he stops him with a glove. Great reflexes there. Here's a short pass to Donskoy. Turns it aside with the glove. A critical draw here. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. And that one's broken up by a great defensive play. Up along the wing. With possession along the wall. Quick pass over to Komarov. Donskoy's going to play it against the half wall. Stays with it. Quick pass to Heiskanen. Right in the slot. Big time defensive play. Trying to gain a step. He's in all alone. In front, the puck stopper gets on top, but we'll get a little stoppage in play here, Ray.
Yep, goalies are going to jump on it as quick as they can anytime around the front of the net.
Late goings of this period. It's a 3-1 hockey game. Lots of offense already. Koivu's won it off the faceoff. Feeds it to Aho. Moves the puck along the half wall. Snaps one from the slot. Can't get it to go. Team Finland's got it now. Stones him on the play. Finland's got the puck along the wall. Moves it to Koivu. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Moves it quickly over to Aho. Reads the play and forces the turnover. Along the half wall with the puck. Out front. Stopped by the goaltender. Quick feed to Heiskanen. Intercepts the pass. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Shot. Here's an offensive chance. Makes the save. Referee signaling delayed penalty. Looks like hooking will be the call. And the puck stopper tags his man to get the extra attacker on the ice. Time for the officials to hand out the judgment. And the officials signaling for hooking on the play.
Got to move your feet here. You're chasing the play. As soon as you stop your feet, you're going to get called.
About to drop the puck, and you'd sense that the power play unit's feeling the sense of urgency on this one.
Well, you can't undo what's done. I mean, they've been terrible on the power play, but what a great opportunity here. They've been gifted another power play. See if they can take advantage of it.
17 minutes, 11 seconds.
Sends it in on the attack. Team Finland's got a hold of it along the wall. Granlund's got it into offensive territory. Feeds it down low. Oh, pokes it away. Gutsy move, but it pays off. And the goaltender grabs that one for a whistle to try to slow things down here. Finland's been the better team offensively tonight. A lot of scoring chances, and they lead it late in this third period. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. And now he moves it to Rantanen. Rantanen's got it against the boards. And now it's over to Lindell. From the point, he scores!
Well, they've been hoping that the extra work being done on the power play would help them capitalize. They do a nice job there. Well, I guess he couldn't catch up to that one, eh, James? Right past him from the blue line. It just was a rocket.
Team Finland's goal-scoring abilities have been on full display so far this evening and here in the third.
Really impressive display. They've moved the puck well, skated, really forecheck. Well, there's really nothing they haven't done tonight.
Number 7.
Here's a short pass to Granlund.
Number 96.
Taken by Granlund. Team Italy's got the puck.
Time of the goal.
Coming up on the final minute of regulation time. Answers the call with a big save. Directed over to Rantanen. Moves it around along the half wall. Centering pass. Snapper from the slot. Blocker save.
This is a quality chance if the goaltender turns aside right from the slot.
Back at the point, they set it up. Knocked away. Oh, he'd like a mulligan on that miss.
Yo, you got to get it on net, James. Yeah, the mulligan would be great because you don't even test the goalie here.
You never had that happen, right?
Many, many times. Oh, look at that. Here we go. We got a penalty coming up right here.
And there's the whistle. Yet another penalty set to be handed out here. Lindell's going off for 2 minutes here, boarding the call.
When you see the player's numbers, you got to lay off the hit. He follows right through, and he'll rightfully go to the box for boarding.
Good job tangling up his opponent here. Along the boards, they battle for the puck back and forth. And some fancy footwork to kick it over to his teammate. And manages to clear the zone. Quick pass to Frank. Takes the feed from his own end. Takes a shot. Great glove save. Finland's up big time here in the late stages of this third period. resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Off a stick. There's the horn, and that's the hockey game.
When you look at the final stats here, James, and they had more shots on goal. They had a very comfortable lead. It seemed like they had the puck and the game in control most of the night.
They looked like a firing squad out there, and the difference was they converted on many of those. And that'll do it. For Ray Ferraro, I'm James Cybulski. Thank you. Yo, 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 yo. Uh-huh, uh-huh.